I move weight like a freight truck, build the muscle. You can't escape your fate, we ain't scared to tussle. I put the pressure on your offense, you can't advance. I'm a pro, hit the bench, bro, you had your chance. Do that dance in the end zone and hone my skill. If I don't take it all the way, no one will. Get back, you out of line, and you out of your mind, you out of time. Keep searching, brother, how do you find another mind? As efficient as this machine I am is more than mortal. Don't need a key to explore the portal, just follow me to the next dimension. You get lifted like these plates I'm benching. Go ahead, put your 2 cents in. Your words are worthless, takes a strong like mine to understand my purpose. It's to shine more bright than the sunlight. I'm the star of the night, bring it on if you ready to fight. Do you accept the challenge? Bring it on. I'ma test your balance. Bring it on. You can't stand the violence, so put your hands on your legs and leave in silence. Bring it on. You can't handle the heat. Bring it on. This cannibal is hungry for me. Bring it on. And I'm ready to eat, so if you're scared, get out of here before you get beat. Or bring it on. Yeah, the heat is on. You better get your best to the plate or it be gone. Calculate the magnitude of the situation you're facing. No time for pacing, there's no time for wasting. What you thought it would be a cakewalk? I won't make it easy for you to hate. Talk the trash you spit. No, I couldn't let you do it no longer. So I built up mass and my passion stronger, to the point that I need an extra me to hold it. So thick that you could try, but ain't no need to fold it or bend it any which way. Nothing is happening, just me through the year. I'ma keep on rapping, and then the competition has to retire. No other choice. Who can do it like I do it? No other voice. If you need some help, call the doctor, get some medicine. I'll inspire you, bring you back to life, and make you dead again. Bring it on. Do you accept the challenge? Bring it on. I'ma test your balance. Bring it on. You can't stand the violence, so put your hands on your legs and leave in silence. Bring it on. You can't handle the heat. Bring it on. This cannibal is hungry for me. Bring it on. And I'm ready to eat, so if you're scared, get out of here before you get beat or bring it